should go this way up. Forget about the two holes here. So put some details on the video. This is just like a template. I'll wipe it up and show you the display just now. So if you download this, you add it to your file for and this display. These 4 holes are drilled to 3mm for these 4 button-headed 3mm Allen bolts. Okay. You might have to wiggle them out a little bit. Right, let's get plugged in and turned on. Right, the idea here is to indicate how much filament is left on a spool for a 3D printer, and shows the weights down here. Obviously this is just a test. I'll show you the demo program just now, because that shows a lot more than what this display is. Okay. Obviously flickering is probably because of the lighting and the camera strobing. Let's start this again. Again, if you see a bit strobing, probably the LED light I've got shining on and the camera frame rate. So this is like a good demo. Zoom out, there's my hand for an indication of the size. Okay, I'm doing it. Oh no, I'm powering it